Hey, good morning from Walla Walla, Washington. And what time we got? I'm not going to tell you what time it is. It's very early. Well, anyway, I'm kind of up kicking around, and I had an interesting experience. Of course, doing YouTube videos is an interesting experience in itself, but one of the funny things that I've seen is this outfit called Vivor. And you'll see channels, they'll send you free stuff, and then you're supposed to test it and that kind of thing. And I've seen their stuff, and one guy had to laugh at it. I think he's an all right guy. I'm not going to say his name or anything, but he got one of their milling machine power feeds, and it's like the thing ran too fast or something. And then other people have reviewed their 8-inch Vivor rotary table. Let's see what else they got. They got the $399 mag drill. So I get a contact from Vivor via email, and they go, well, hey, on your channel, would you like to demonstrate our products? And and after looking at this stuff, and I go, I may be interested in demonstrating your products on my channel. So they give me a list. They send us this list of stuff related to machine work. And it's got the piece of crap 8-inch rotary table. It's got the $399 mag drill and two versions of the Bridgeport servo copy of the servo power feeds. I think one is $119 and $130, and that one guy demonstrated ran too fast. Well, I don't know, maybe we're gonna figure out a way to slow it down. I thought it was kind of funny. It's entertaining anyway. But why in the world would anybody buy a piece of crap like that in the first place? And I've looked at them, and there's like, people say there's no returns on this junk, if you buy it. And then for like me, you see, I start pushing their crap over my channel, and then I get a commission for it. And it's the same with all that stuff, including American Rotary, which was kind enough to give me that after offering it to me. But there's strings attached to this stuff. They wanted me to sign a contract to sell their other stuff. I think they're an okay company. That's a good product. The American Rotary thing works. Some people don't like them for some reason, but it works, okay? So I can't complain. But, they offered to give me that when my other thing failed, and then they wanted me to sign a contract. And I said, I'm not going to sign nothing like that. Are you going to send this thing or not? Went back and forth. There's kind of a tense thing like that, because if they didn't send it, I would have bashed the crap out of them like I'm bashing Vivor or whatever it is now. But, things kind of get out of hand, and that's my opinion. See, I'm a millwright, I learned that by working as a machinist. But I've been around a little bit, and I know machinery. So anyway, this Vivor guy, I go, I don't know if that's suitable for my channel. I've got, very sophisticated viewers and stuff like that. Why don't you send me a lathe for a review? And I picked out the most expensive lathe. I wanted to play with it. It's a brushless servo drive thing, and it's got electronic threading attachment or extra stuff. I want all that stuff. It's about $1,500. Send me that, and I'll give that a review. And they go, what was it? We'll discontinue that model. Okay. Well, send me one of the other 7 lathes. All our lathes old and we discontinue. How about $399 mag drill? You know, I mean, come on. Yeah, I mean, I need a mag drill, like I need a hole in the head. You know, and especially a cheap piece of crap mag drill. What am I going to do with it? I don't want a new mag drill. And the reason is because I don't want to take in work when I have to use it. It's too much work for me. I work on smaller things now where I don't need a mag drill. Anyway, I'm doing restorations. That's what I'm doing as an old guy. But anyway, excuse me, there's a lot of smoke in there. Here we got fires. So they don't want to send me a lathe, right? No, send me mag drill or inch or whatever's on this crappy list of stuff that other people are reviewing. I go, oh, my channel here, I must review things other channels are not reviewing. And I go, how about, I mean, you know, how they sell vices too, and I think I have one, you know, the cheapest vices you can buy on eBay, you know, those machine vices. And they work okay if you understand what the floor I use for a drill press mostly instead of a drilling machine. So anyway, I pick out a vise that might be useful on this horizontal milling machine, one of those ground on all sides vices without the mount in it. You can plop them down on the side. I could actually use that, and demonstrate the Vivor, their very best milling vise. And now, only 16 units left. Try other selection? And I go, hey, let's just forget that. And then it comes to a point of human nature and people, you know, yeah, I'll take it if it's free. Send it to me. Yeah, I want everything free. I don't know. I'm an ultimate consumer. Even garbage. Yes, I want it. I want this garbage. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with this garbage, but I want it. I don't know where this cuff kind of ends, you know, but I just wanted to point out some of that stuff, you know, and I think it's funny. And it reminds me of a record years ago, the band The Who sell out, you know, hold your group together with roto sound strings. But this is a whole nother thing, you know, this junk. And, you know, I'm not going to condemn other people on their channels for getting commissions selling this stuff. But I just want, you know, to put it out that I think making a living off selling garbage on YouTube is, I don't know, you know, it's not something I want to get into either. And I don't want to endorse funky equipment either, you know. I don't know about all these import machines, what are they, Precision Matthews. There's one that's proliferating around. I go, where did that come from, you know? It's sort of like if you're going to buy import machinery, I don't know, I would look for someone like Grizzly or Jet or somebody, then move up from there to like Cadillac or something like that. But if someone, you know, wants to send me a lathe to test out, I will certainly shake that thing out, you know, and I don't even have to keep it. I'll auction it off for charity, you know, like one of the cancer institutes or something like that. Would be a good thing like that. So I tell you what, you big shot, people like Vivor or Precision Matthews, send me a machine to shake out. Send me a lathe. Send me a lathe. Yeah, that's it. I don't want no mag drill. I don't want no 8-inch piece of crap rotary table. I want a lathe. Start at the top and try to work down, but it didn't work out for those folks too bad. No, out of stock. Only 15 left. What a joke, huh? Unbelievable, you know. And well, anyway, I enjoy sharing some of the tips and tricks that I've picked up over the years, and I know some of you people would enjoy that too. But you know, this getting on YouTube and selling junk like that, I go, you know what? Things are kind of changing for me a little bit. I got on a better diet, and I'm getting different kinds of exercise, and my health is improving very much. And so I was just going to get back to work and make money as a millwright. And maybe I can give you a few tips on doing work. I have things are kind of, I threw a coal on the fire in that direction, and that coal's getting hot. So I'll be able to share with you actual work and not stupid stuff, you know. I'm not going to make stuff that I'd normally buy in a pawn shop, like surface gauges or something like that. Or I'm not going to make any knurling tools or any of that. I'm going to fix things and make parts and stuff like that, stuff that needs to be done. Okay, I thought I would just wake you up with my vendor on YouTube stories. And I do appreciate stuff that people send me, and I turn stuff down. And I don't have very many things people send me, but the things that people have sent me, I use a lot. And one of them is these stones that Phil sent me. And the other fellow, I can't remember right now, sent me a whole quart of Poppy's number 9, that's somewhere around here, and I use that, you know, and some little brushes and stuff. Now I use that all the time. And of course the blade sent, I'll take a little walk around here, sent this turret thing, and that was pretty cool. I think that's a cool thing and could be useful for people, and gave me a bunch of tool holders and these old KDK stuff that is way obsolete, and I don't recommend it unless you have an axle, son. This KDK fits good on here. So anyway, I got, it was nice of American Rotary to send me this. I did pry it out of them without signing their contract, you know. But that's business, you know. And you get involved with me, it is business, because that's what I'm all about. And that's how you end up with stuff like this, you know. You find a need, you go, I can make a living, I can make some money doing that, and then, you know, you work and you do this and you do that. Then you end up, you know, getting a little bit smarter in business, and then you get it so someone, the government, the world, pays you almost $1,500 to own the finest lathe ever crafted by man. It's business. Okay. Have a good one.